What did I ask you?
Permeation and embolic.
So what is permeation? What is embolic method of spread of a tumor? It's a regularly taught thing. No? You never heard of it? Then you say you don't know it. The very good answer is I don't know, so that I can tell you. Otherwise I'll start speaking and you'll speak in between as if you knew it, you've forgotten. So I'll know you don't know it, you don't know it. Clear? So this is a first year histology book. Tumors spread by majorly two methods. Say this is a lymphatic. It is not, but suppose this is. So it can spread along the lymphatic. That is called permeation. What is that called?
Permeation.
Correct. Or it can sounding. I'll take this. This is a lymphatic. So it goes. No, not looking good.